Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of returning items on Temu. So stick around until the end to learn all the steps and ensure a hassle-free return experience. So let's get started. Temu offers a 90-day return policy. This means that you can return items for any reason within 90 days of purchase. However, there are a few exceptions. Items that have been used or damaged, or as well as non-refundable items like intimate apparel cannot be returned. So open the Temu app and make sure that you're logged into your account from which you made the purchase. Now click on this Use section, which is located at the bottom center of the screen. And if you see your name at the top, this means that you're logged into your account correctly. Click on your orders and this will take you to the list of all your orders. Now find the order that contains the item you wish to return. And once you are in the order details, click on the return order. Now select the item you want to return from the order. After selecting the item, you will need to provide a reason for the return. So whatever the reason is, mention it over there and then click on submit button. Temu will send you a return label by an email or through the app. So print that return label and attach that label to the package containing the items you are returning and then ship the package back to the Temu using the provided return label. And once Temu receives and processes your return, they will issue a refund and you will be notified once the refund is complete. Also keep this in mind that you are responsible for the cost of shipping the item back. Temu does not refund the shipping cost. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.